the addition of the white laces. My name is Sydney and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, please hit that like and subscribe button. Today, I got a special video. I am getting ready to paint the Heritage Jordans. Some time ago, I mentioned I was going to do it, but I never got a chance to do it. And you already know this is the pair. I just don't like the way the color blocking looks. So I'm really considering turning into the Bred Toes to give it more of a little pop, more of a vintage look. So these sneakers, they're getting up out of here. So yeah, like I said, I have two pairs. So I think I might do this one, the black toe, and this one, the red Bred Toes. I think that's the name of it. We're gonna start with the Bred Toes today. Today, I'll be using Phoebe's leather dye, black leather dye. Angelus leather preparer and deglazer. Try to see that. Black acrylic leather paint by Angelus. I got two of these, one for each shoe depending on how much paint is needed. I got this Angelus matte number 4 coat here. This is for the end, so that way the paint won't chip off. And some paint brushes, sponge, and Q-tips. And I forgot my cotton balls. We're gonna use these cotton balls to put with the acetone to get the paint off. I forgot to mention you're gonna need painter's tape or masking tape, whatever this is. Okay, so I'm back. Now, that probably was the worst painting experience I've ever had in my life, simply because of trying to get every crevice black. And I probably did some mistakes here and there, but for the most part, the sneaker looks good. But like I said, it's just some little details. If you paid attention real closely, you will see that there's some white sticking out. But for the most part, I think I did exceptionally well. So that's that part there. This is the other sneaker. Look, they look dope, man. All right, so now I have to paint the thread here white. Gotta paint the thread white. All right, so I don't have white paint to put the white on the thread there, but that's okay. I mean, these sneakers still look dope without the white thread. So here is the finished product of the Air Jordan 1 Chicago Bred Toe. I think that's the name of them. They're dope. So let me go try these on real quick and be right back. Okay, so I'm done. I'm back, finished with the addition. The addition of the white laces makes the sneaker definitely pop. These sneakers are so dope. They're dope on feet. They're dope in hand. I think I did a great job. I think since I have another pair of the Heritage, I think I might go ahead and paint this area white. Hold on, matter of fact. All right, so here's another pair. As you can see, I don't wear these. This colorway is butt ugly. But anywho, I think I'm going to color this white and still color this black. Color the toe box, color the, the area where the laces go. Heck, I forgot the name of it. Eye stays, that's the name of it. Now, the only issue I will have is I need to remove this and get a black and white Nike Air to put in the tongue, because I will keep the tongue white. But that's that pair. Listen, I remember a couple years ago, I did say this pair in particular for 2022, I think that came out, was super dope because you can customize, this pair any way you want. Like, again, this is already red, this is already red, so whatever on here you don't like, just change the color. And that's exactly what I did. Dope. But thank you for taking this long ride with me. I know it was a long ride. This painting part was definitely the longest. Just trying to get the details, I'm not a perfectionist, but I just didn't want a bunch of red sticking out. But again, thank you. Thank you for support. Thank you. I finally reached over 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys. Thank you. And For more sneaker news and reviews, please hit that like and subscribe button. Until next time, peace.